Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Some bad news, some sad news. Our buddy Expeditionary Jonny announced on Monday that his buddy, his dog, passed away. So my apologies, brother. It's right in there. You know, dogs are family. Pets are family. So, I mean, even goldfish. So, I'm gonna do a fatwood burn for him. So, let's get to it. I haven't had the manger out quite a while. Using some Dominic Manischetti fatwood. I'm going to use the Dominator Nathan 4071 ferro rod with the Dominic Manischetti antler. Let's see if we can go one and done. Nope. Oh. A 3 and done, I guess. Maybe as this burns, you guys can think of family members of your own that have no longer with us. Well, once again, my condolences, brother. Anyway, I'll link Johnny's channel below if you want to go check him out. And have a good one. Thanks for watching.